How to find who can tag you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can tag you on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now just click privacy and scroll down until you find this one here, mentions and tags. Click on it, and then here you can find it who can tag you, and you can manage it and just manage until you want and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.